damn on the block, y'all lean or y'all mean. Baby on the scene, got the green. I don't give a damn, it's in my jeans. I don't give a damn, pull up on the scene with a sag in my jeans and my mug on me, cause I keep my pocket rocking all on the side. I don't give a damn, but in the 40 watch me ride. Watch me go and glide. Nigga like Clyde, that's Drixter. Got the dreads like I'm Lou Hessner. Now I got a fade, baby spade. I don't give a damn, the bad bitch, I'm getting laid. Got to put the slab in the paint and get it sprayed. I don't give a damn, but these hoes get sprayed like Ray. Knock them out, scream when I shout. I don't give a damn, you know what I'm talking about. Got the damn diamonds in my motherfucking mouth. I don't give a damn, I'm ripping dirty damn south. Maybe ripping east, classy like a priest. I don't give a damn, I'm a motherfucking beast. I let these boys know they let me off the leash, and I don't even give a damn, I'm an untamed beast, so I eat the damn track, make a cardi rack. Told my daddy I always had a black Cadillac. Nigga always tipping on them foes like that. I don't give a damn, and make the trunk go crack with the goddamn 12, maybe 15. Carbon 15, make his body damn lean. I don't give a damn, we pull up on the scene. Pocket full of green, and this shit on the scene. You know, we serving all fiends, serving all the whack. I don't give a damn, all white like the crack. Maybe like the Gotti, hit him with the shotty. I don't give a damn, we wanna see his body started. Make you wanna see his damn body drop. Screens on the leg and them foes gon' flop. Bad ass bitch, she gon' suck on my couch. Might suck the whole team, then we tell that hoe stop. Make that hoe go, let that hoe know. You can't stay, bitch, you really gotta go. We done hit that bitch with that dick, she gotta go. We done told that bitch she real damn low. Like elbows, gotta be like limbo. I don't give a damn, shout out to Jimbo. That be the Fisher, maybe from the Florida. I don't give a damn, fourth quarter I'm a starter. Maybe off the bench, maybe like a wrench, get the twisting. I don't give a damn, get the twisting. Detroit blue and red, no I keep my Pistons. I don't give a damn, boy these pussy niggas flinching. Boy they fucking scared, did these niggas dead. Told you once before, I'm still back in bloody red. About to fall off, link in my cough. I don't give a damn, boy these hoes sipping on the Smirnoff. That ain't gin, nah that ain't shit. Still reclining in the bumper kit. Had to swallow goddamn spit. Letting these hoes know I'm the shit. Right out the ass, maybe out the hole. Told you once before that my money don't fold. Money like Lil Key, I get it by the ton. And I don't give a damn, Lil Key still the fucking done. Yeah, he doing his thing out to Houston, Texas. Where them boys sipping Pauline up the Lexus. With a Rolex on their motherfucking wrist. Got the damn glamours, know that shit look like piss. Yeah, it's like piss, cause that shit hella gold. I don't give a damn, we probably rolling on the toe. We ain't pay no cash, you can kiss my ass. Badass bitch, thick like she Kim Kardashian. But she got that ass, so that shit be hella shaking. Josh showed me ass on the phone, I was like, oh that bitch, who is that bitch? Lean low bitch, I gotta keep my damn stitch. Keep playing with me, I leave you dead in the ditch. I don't give a fuck about you, gon' catch a hitch. Maybe a quick route, like the spring he gon' sprout. Told you one before we wipe it, I just like to shout. Letting these hoes know that I got that go. I don't give a damn the freestyle, I got that flow. Just like progressives know I gotta keep my flow. All these hoes know that I'm really in the dough. Really in the dough, triple yin yang and yo. I done told that bitch she gon' give me that blow. Give me that head, boy I'm going fed. I don't give a damn microphone, I'm never scared. I rap from the any damn body, 12 gauge shotty. I'm throwing sixes, nah, they ain't Illuminati. Talking about the quill, getting the shit real. Told you on the motherfucking field. We on the field just trying to taste the deal. Young Deuce in that 11, boy, that shit be really real. 11 times 2, that be the damn 22. But if you add 7 to it, then it's not them 2. There's me on the scene, fresh and clean. I don't give a damn, clean to start your arch your jeans.
Oh, this nigga here. This nigga don't fucking stop. This nigga hella real, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get that. Yeah, you go right here, you know what I'm saying? That shit real. I feel like